stop playing with him.
JDaVinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm JDaVinci. In today's video, I'm gonna style, yeah, I got on the wig, y'all, but I'm gonna style this wig. I won't be using any like heating tools to do this. This is gonna be super easy, very beginner friendly. The only thing that you're really gonna need is some mousse. So if you have mousse or if you have water, then this is gonna be the perfect tutorial, easy, beginner friendly for you. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing it, then keep watching.
My plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk. New freak, had to come out of the
So I hope you guys liked this super quick video. I thought it was gonna be a perfect thing to do. I wanted to style this hair before I took it off. I wanted to see the kind of styles that I could make with it, and they're actually super cute. For something like this, you could easily glue the back down, but I really just don't care. I don't care. But if you care, you can go on ahead and put a scarf on, wear a motherfucking turtleneck, and yeah, you'll be just fine.
Bitch drive a all white, right? Couldn't hit it if niggas had Lanes can't call and you lying. Son, type of money you gon' need, right? From the hood, type of money make you stay up.